Okay, as many of you know, we have an accessory shop. It's an affiliate site. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're partners with lots of other people. Accessories, snowboarding equipment, clothing, and to be honest, it's quite interesting. It's a good keeps your interest on the side as well as just dealing in cars. Lots of car accessories, lots of tech, computers and so on, and that's the sort of stuff I like. Now, just recently, I was going to get myself a pair of Apple AirPods, I think they're called, and I looked online, and I think there's some at 179, some at 199, and some at 250. And to be fair, I'm with ordinary earphones, I'm forever catching them on my coat, taking my coat off, catching them on a car, and I go through these earphones like nobody's business, which is why I wanted the wireless ones. And then when I was looking for them on Amazon, because as I say, we're affiliates, and I was going to advertise them on our site, I came across these, and it's got a charging case, and I'll just show you. Basically, they're Bluetooth headphones. If we go to, gosh, when I can find it, if we go to Bluetooth, and then watch out at the bottom, when I open this case, you'll see the blue light flashing. And there you go, T12's come up. I click T12 connected. It's as simple as that. Now, if I play music here, turn that up, take these out, the worst thing about them is I can't get them out with my Mars bar fingers. There we go. And hang on, they're really good. Less than £20. I'll put a link to them in the description. I can get I can lose 10 pairs of these before I'm out of profit, and I'd have been better off buying Apples, which I'll probably get anyway, by the way. But that's it. That's by the by. Thanks for watching.